Hello my lovely students, this is teacher Isam. I'm recording this video for the first grade level students in order to help them prepare for the next exam, so stay with me. First, memorize the vocabulary. We have here pencil, crayon, ruler, rubber, notebook, pencil case. Then we have chair, desk, map, computer, whiteboard, backpack. And the unit 3 at the farm, we have some vegetable and some fruit. So we have apple, banana, carrot, potato, orange, onion. When we have more than one, look at the pictures. This is one apple, two apples. You have to add an S at the end of the word for the plural when you have two or more than one thing. Like this one, bananas, two bananas. One banana, two bananas. The S, don't forget the S. One carrot, two carrots. One potato, two potatoes. In this case, you have to add an E and S. Potatoes, like this one. Oranges, we have two oranges, one orange. Two onions, one onion. In the grammar, you have to understand or to know how to use this and that. Look at this picture. When you have something close to you or close to finger, like this picture, you have to use this. What's this? What's this? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. What's that? What's that? Why we used that in this case? Because the pencil is so far from the finger. Look, there is a long distance between the finger and the pencil. So in this case, you have to use that. So what's that? It's a pencil. What's that? It's a pencil. Okay, I hope that you understand this grammar rule. Good luck for the exam and see you again in another video.